So the Blackrock CEO literally guaranteed and confirmed an XRP ETF. And this is no joke, right? When we're talking about an XRP ETF being in the works, confirmed by BlackRock, this obviously means a massive price increase for XRP. We are talking $10,000 per XRP in the long run, and just in Q1 of 2024, around $352 per XRP. These are the numbers that we're looking at. These are the numbers that are basically confirmed as BlackRock confirms the XRP ETF, and there is proof about that. In fact, the CEO of BlackRock drops hint of an upcoming XRP ETF, signaling a potential surge in the XRP ledger, more importantly, in all of the cryptocurrencies, specifically also one that we're going to talk about that actually allows you to generate passive income on the XRP ledger. And this is what makes the XRP ledger so very wanted, is tokens like the crypto trading fund token, which actually allow you to earn money just by holding them on the XRPL. But again, the whole idea here, guys, is the World Bank. The World Bank wants XRP and has acknowledged it as a stable asset, confirmed at $10,000. And this is not my words, but the words of the World Bank Association through one of their reports, and one of the former Ripple officials, that is Sean McBride, which literally is a former director at Ripple, has mentioned that XRP will be one of the only classified XRP digital assets by the World Banks, and it will be classified as a stable coin. Now, of course, he did also highlight that the price of XRP, once this classification actually occurs, would have to be $10,000, as the amount of money that it would need to facilitate is in the quadrillions of dollars. And don't worry, we're going to show you all the proof, all the reports, everything in today's epic video. So before we get right into it, we also want to announce our XRP giveaway, guys. Yes, we're going to weigh up to $100 with a free XRP to everybody watching this video. It is the time to fill your XRP bag for free. All you're gonna have to do is tap that like button, subscribe to the channel with your post notifications on, and share this video. Of course, you must also sign up on Uphold, because we're doing this in collaboration with Uphold. So you must sign up and do a transaction. Any amount, it could literally be a penny, 10 cents, $1, $10, any number, but as long as the transaction is actually done, you will go ahead and get up to $100 worth of free XRP. And this is for everybody. Of course, it takes less than 5 minutes. I definitely recommend it. I did it myself. And without any further ado, let's get right into the content, guys. There's really a lot to discuss, because it's not just the XRP ETF that has been confirmed by BlackRock and World Bank's literally classifying XRP as a digital stablecoin, and the ex-director of Ripple Labs also mentioning that XRP will be $10,000 upon that classification of World Bank actually happening globally. But even now, Forbes is in the picture, because Forbes reported that the US dollar is actually about to collapse, and that the collapse has actually begun, but most importantly, that XRP, the digital asset, is set to take over. And it cites here that leak reveals a Wall Street crypto revolution that could crush the US dollar has suddenly begun, and XRP is set to take place and surpass the US dollar, being the leading global digital asset. And reading all this, I went back to an article that I read back on June 3rd of 2023 that highlighted that it's not just all these institutions that really believe XRP is going to hit $10,000 and that it will happen, specifically with the XRP ETF being in the works on the back end of things, but Ripple's co-founder, another very valid official and partner within Ripple Labs, has highlighted that he envisions XRP's potential at $10,000 with global scalability, and highlights that really XRP has to be a stablecoin, and that once it's a stablecoin, it has to be $10,000. To which he cites, and I quote, "XRP is designed for $10,000 and must be scalable to accommodate 7.5 billion people." Now, of course, when we know that the global population is using a certain digital asset, in this case XRP, the price of XRP is required to be stable. So really, XRP would be a stablecoin, but it would be a stablecoin only at the value of $10,000. And it even makes more sense when the World Bank announces that XRP will be the first ever cross-border payment system, and that it is expected to begin use globally. So we're seeing the use eventually happen by central banks, financial institutions, and other parties, all beginning to partake in trying to utilize the XRP digital asset. More importantly, really, it is the XRP ledger, right? We're seeing the BRICS nations include Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa, now Saudi Arabia, Iran, and the UAE, and even Egypt. basically do a complete shift and confirm that shift away from the US dollar, and have entered into discussions with Liable Labs to build a global central bank digital currency known as a CBDC on the XRP ledger. So we're seeing that evolution, and we're seeing, of course, XRP's price expected to rise along with it. Now, of course, we also have to go back to the XRP ETF, which is insane, and of course, it's actually going to prompt up the value of XRP to those numbers, right? We got confirmation that this was going to happen, in fact, just weeks ago, because we got information that the XRP ETF officially released pricing XRP at over $16.31 in that XRP ETP, and reports have revealed at the time that an XRP ETF was also likely to go live within weeks. And guess what? Today is around that time when we talk about weeks time frame, right? This is on January 8th of 2024 when we got that report, the XRP ETP approved, and now we also got the application set to be approved for the XRP ETF within the next couple of days. And so once we see that $16 price prediction for the XRP ETP, just imagine what the XRP price is going to be at the XRP ETF. And again, as we highlight these financial institutions, there's a lot of things going on in the background. Specifically, if the US dollar actually collapses, we're going to see even more demand happen to the XRP digital asset. Now, of course, we're also going to have to talk about the XRP ledger, because this is what's really blowing up, and the tokens that are making people millionaires are not really exactly linked to the XRP digital asset. Like, it's not always going to be XRP, but it's going to be tokens that are on the XRP ledger. And one that we're really focused on is one of the only DeFi tokens on the XRP ledger that actually allows you, and this is why they always talk about the XRP ledger allows you to generate passive income, it's because of the CTF token, right? So we've talked about them for a very long time. A lot of experts and analysts like Jack the Ripper has also mentioned them. The CTF token is set to actually pump massively. With only half the XRP market cap, the CTF token would go from just 35 cents to $589 or $598. Madness is about to ensue, but it will be too late then, because there's only 120 million total supply. So obviously supply shock is really going to prompt up the price of this coin to new highs to over $500. And really we can confirm that because the charts show that breakout happening, and all the demand is absolutely insane. And of course, I will go ahead and link their website and everything down in the description. But let me just show you guys the massive price increase that just today alone they actually had. The CTF token is literally up 42%, guys. 42 or 24%. It was up 40% up, just a little while ago. But the point here is that we have gotten the breakout pattern. I talked to you guys about this, and for one, we're going to see that massive green candle that is really going to prompt up the price of the CTF token into the hundreds of dollars. And I told you it is at that breakout point, and that we needed a confirmation for a green candle. And of course, here's the massive green candle that occurred that actually brought the price all the way to 63 cents. Getting that retracement was also confirmation, because you do need a retracement before you get a massive breakout like the one we're going to see, which is likely to actually prompt up the value of the CTF token into the hundreds of dollars. And of course, we're getting a massive volume that shows in. And of course, because there's very low supply, only 120 million tokens, and because we're very early into the game, many people that actually get into CTF now are going to become multimillionaires. Now, I'll tell you guys this completely transparently. I own the CTF token. Like, I bought into it when it was sitting at 24 cents, and I talked about this. You guys can check out my channel. I talked about them a lot when I first bought in. 24 cents. I told you guys this is an early token, very low supply, very early in the game, and I still tell you guys there's only about 500 holders since the 24 cents mark. So very, very early. And just imagine, what is 42 cents, guys, when the price of CTF skyrockets to 100? Nothing, right? We're seeing that's dirt cheap numbers. And anybody that really gets into CTF, when it gets into, right now, before it gets into the hundreds, when it skyrockets to the hundreds, you're going to be a multi-millionaire based on how much you bought. So I'll tell you guys this, I own the CTF token. I bought from the CTF token. I will continue to fill my bag, because not only is it skyrocketing in value and increasing almost every single day, up 25, 40%, which is insane numbers. You don't see this in the cryptocurrency space right now in a bear market. But really, not only is it going up in price, but it also allows you to generate passive income. So if you own the CTF token, you actually earn money day by day as it skyrockets and as it goes up in value, which is just unseen and unheard about. And again, it's a community-driven project, or it's a community-driven innovative network and platform where your money actively serves you. It's basically a framework for generating passive income, and you can actually begin earning passive income very easily by just buying the token, because 1% of every sell transaction for the token gets redistributed back to holders, and that's kind of how you guys get passive income and how I get passive income. I think I own a couple $1,000s worth of CTF. I've already, bought into it a couple thousand. but that couple thousand actually already generated me over the last couple of weeks a couple $100. So it's well worth it, guys, for me personally, because I'm generating that money, I'm generating passive income, and I would, definitely recommend my friends to do their own research and to look into the coin, because passive income is the best way you could go for becoming a multimillionaire, specifically if your assets also rising. Not only can you become a multimillionaire in basically days because the price is going to skyrocket, but in the process you're also generating yourself passive income, and of course the more CTF token that you own, the more passive income you're going to generate. So of course, for convenience, I will link the website down below in the description, ctftoken.com. You can buy on the Polygon chain or the XRP ledger. They also have all the exchanges they're listing on, and they're getting a lot of attention, so I think the earlier the better. I like to compare this to Bitcoin, right? The people that got into Bitcoin very early, did their research, made their own decision, and then decided to take the risk, actually ended up becoming millionaires. Others didn't. But again, my point here is I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice to always do your own research. My personal opinion is I will purchase and I will continue to buy the dip for CTF because I believe in the project. I think it's going to make me a lot of money, and I think I will become a millionaire as a result of it in the future, specifically if it's doing so well right now in a bear market. It's going up hundreds of thousands of percentages. Imagine in a bull market, it's going to go up millions of percentages and go up into the thousands of dollars. But again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is my personal opinion. I own the token. I love CTF. I will continue to buy the dip. And I just will finalize by saying, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Don't forget to, of course, as always, tap that like button, subscribe to the channel, share this video, and of course follow me on all my social media platforms. I'm talking Twitter, Instagram, everything will be linked in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. Send a bubble to get up to $100 worth of free XRP. I'll see you next time, and peace.